Okay, now we're going to take the information and we're going to transfer it into our line book, our little sketchbook we had. So we did color. Now we're focusing on line. So I'm not going to use multiple colors. I suggest you use one color or just your black colored pencil. That's going to focus more on what we're looking at, which is line. So I think I might actually use, I don't want to use a Sharpie because it will bleed through. Okay, I'm just going to use a normal marker. But again, we did color. I'm just focusing on lines. I'm going to draw my same shape. Okay, once I've got my shape, then I'm going to look at the lines that I see within the shape. So with the pie, I'm going to stick to the diagonal line on the top. And then I'm going to do vertical lines on this part of the, obviously curved lines are in the plate. So I got diagonal, horizontal, curved. Let's do some vertical. And then the background, I'm going to do something more active. So maybe some zigzags. Now, if your picture doesn't have, like mine does, I have like pretty much lines within it. So it kind of helped me focus on the different types of lines. If you're something very simple, like a donut, curved for your donut, dashed or dotted for the sprinkles, but I need more than that. So you're going to have to add lines around the background, like as I'm doing here. Like I've made the pie look like it's sitting in a room with a table. Donut sit on a plate with a table and a background, allowing you to have more lines. But you need to have, I'm going to accentuate my pie lines so they don't get lost. But I want to see at least 2 calm lines, which would be a horizontal or vertical, and 2 active lines, which here would be my zigzag and my curved, within your line mini book, because I don't want to just see the lines, like one set of lines. It's not very helpful. Your goal is to, again, 2 active lines, 2 calm lines. So there is my lines within my pie that I have created. So now I've completed my color and my line of my elements and art. Now the cover, if you want to decorate the cover, if you were not, some of our groups were able to glue the words on there, the elements of art. If not, you can use whatever you have. So you can use your tools to write the title of what this book is if you don't have. So elements of art is what this book is about. So again, if you don't have a little piece of paper glued, or maybe you have it glued and you want to add something else to it, feel free to decorate the front cover as you would like.